Tap into the audiences of media, bloggers, and podcasters to gain credibility, expand exposure, and attract new prospects and customers before spending $1 on advertising. Check out my post 30 Ways to Leverage Other People's Platforms, or OPPs, to increase awareness, credibility, and revenues for more ways to extend your reach. For example, be a guest on a podcast or a guest blogger. Find a joint venture partner. Embed yourself in a team that work together often and be part of a package. Put a course together and put it up on a platform. Or, if you like to write, you might want to write for Medium. Do in-person speaking locally. Or you might consider to get up the courage and do a TED Talk. This is Kit Pang giving one. Post in LinkedIn groups, or you might post in Facebook groups that appeal to your target audience. Also, you might consider making an offer during someone else's workshop, such as Pete Vargas did successfully. Get featured in someone else's newsletter. Exchange email promotions. Develop your own street team to share your content. Choose your affiliate partners. Then you could write a book and do a virtual book tour. Join local, regional, and global groups to network. You can also do a book signing for your books. You might want to participate with other experts in summits or giveaways. Find a community of cohorts, like-minded individuals in Slack or in other communities, offline and online. Find sites where members share content such as Missing Letter. Interview others who will share your interviews with their audiences. Ask and answer questions on Quora. You should also comment on blog and other social media often. Place your products on selling platforms like Etsy and Warrior Plus. Collaborate in a survey, a report, or some other writing. And always ask your network to share. Learn more ways about how to gain reach and sales using other people's platforms at https://30_OPPS or search for 30 Ways to Leverage Other People's Platforms to increase awareness, credibility, and revenues on Medium.